coffee or tea?
Excuse me,
Yes.
would you like some coffee or tea while you are waiting?
Yes. That would be lovely, thank you.
Would you prefer coffee or tea?
Coffee, please.
And how would you like your coffee?
2 sugars and some milk.
Okay, but I'm sorry, we don't have any milk. Is coffee made alright?
Coffee mate is fine.
It's on coffee, I'll be right back.
Oh, excuse me.
Yes.
Do you use fresh ground coffee?
No, we don't. We use instant coffee.
I see. On second thought. Can I have some tea, please?
Yes, what kind of tea would you like?
What kind of tea do you have?
We have Lipton and green tea.
Green tea is Chinese, isn't it?
Yes.
I'll try green tea.
Okay, would you like that iced or hot?
Iced sounds nice. Not too sweet.
On iced green tea, would you like a cookies?
Cookies? No thanks.
Okay, how about an apple?
Yes, I'd like an apple.
Okay, on iced green tea and on apple, I'll be right back.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have. In fact, I was born abroad.
You are born abroad? Where were you born?
I was born in Japan.
You are joking.
No, I am not joking. It's true, I was made in Japan.
Do you speak Japanese?
No, I don't. I left when I was young.
How old were you?
I was 9.
You were 9 years old and you do not speak Japanese?
No, I was 9 months old.
Oh, what other countries have you been to?
I went to Mexico.
How was that?
It was great.
What did you like the best?
Well, the rules were really interesting.
Anything else you liked?
The beaches were nice.
Where else have you been?
I've lived in London for 1 year.
Really? How was that?
I was only 8 years old.
You were 8 years old. What were you doing there?
I went there with my mother. She was working there.
Of all the countries you have been to, which is your favorite country?
Thailand.
Why do you like Thailand?
I love Thailand because the food is delicious and the people are very friendly.
I hope you liked the video. If you think this video helped you, then don't forget to subscribe and share. Then it will encourage me to make more videos. See you in the next video. Bye.